We are now going to close a wound using a continuous suture technique. Take a suture in your needle holder. Ensure that it is grasped 2/3 around the curve from the point. Also ensure that the needle is perpendicular to the needle holder. Insert the first suture at right angles to the wound. Tie using a standard instrument tie. Cut just the short end of the suture. The second suture is then put in as before and snugged down. The sutures should be an equal distance apart, just as it was for interrupted sutures. Further sutures are added to close the wound. After the final suture has been inserted, leave one loop long. Perform an instrument tie using the long loop. Once this has been tied, you should cut both ends of the suture and the technique is complete. Removing continuous sutures. The same principles apply for the removal of continuous sutures as they did for interrupted sutures. Cut each loop of the suture close to the skin entry on one side of the wound. Then remove each piece of the suture from the opposite side. Avoid pulling exposed suture material through the wound. Now take time to practice this technique yourself.